Okay, let us go. Sicala ku-intro pa 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 tiri 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 tiri. Okay, metronome. Okay, fine. Let us start. 1 2 1 2 go. Bam 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 6 1 is 1 1 4. It's 1 3 4 6 7 5 4.
Okay.
1 2 go. Ba 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 7 5 4. One high octave 1 2 6 yeah oshintsho kujwayeliwe akwensensulu sayiphinza futhi uNkulunkulu hey wena ushaye actually ushaye flat 2.
Yeah.
So which is let us start afresh. Asayi ku-intro ibambile mus.
Yeah.
Ku-intro ibambile. Okay. Let us start afresh. 1 2 go. Purukuru turu 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 6 5 4 1 5 1 4 5 1. Phinza futhi. Nkulunkulu wemihlola, sorry. 6 5 4. Let us go.
2 3.
Nkulunkulu wemihlola 6 5 4 so 1 1 5 1 2 5 1. Okay, we're gonna go to the part zinkanyezi. Uyakhumbula 4 high octave 4 3. Let me ngifake le bass yami la ku keyboard. Yeah. Let us go.
Zinkanyezi.
Zinkanyezi nalilanga zifakazela mhlaba wonke namazulu umuhle baba. One more time. Zinkanyezi